Let's check out what we got in the mail today. Some PROLUBE. Yep. TikTok got me. Oh yeah, nice. There she is. Got some PROLUBE oil treatment. You add this to the oil, engine oil. My truck is a Dodge, and it's got that famous little click, like the lifters, I believe, are clicking. But anyways, if you haven't seen this yet on TikTok, it's supposed to keep your engine from wear down. He's got a pretty neat little demonstration on there where he tries other oil additives, and he adds weight to see the friction. Most of them burn up, but he claims this stuff doesn't. So we'll go outside, put it inside the truck, see what happens. Let's see, it says it's good for race cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, tractors, semis. PROLUBE oil treatment. Alright. Interesting. Simply add 1 ounce of treatment per gallon to your motor oil. I'll have to go see how much the Dodge takes. I think it takes like 5 quarts. So about 5 ounces. Does say use 2 ounces per quart for motor oil for high mileage. So I do have high mileage. So sounds like I'll double it. So I'll put 10 ounces of this good stuff here. Maybe I'll go outside and run the truck, see if this stuff makes it any quieter or run smoother. Be interesting. There it is. Got her off the TikTok shop. Smoothens and quiets motors. It's supposed to help by 12% with your fuel economy. We'll see about that. Especially when you have a camper on the back of your truck. Let's see if it improves any. It's supposed to restore horsepower by 10%. All right. Interesting. Alrighty. TikTok got me again. Got the PROLUBE oil treatment. We'll put it in the Dodge, see if it makes a difference. Alrighty. 12 ounces. Guess I should have pre-opened it. Alright. Let's see. Need a funnel. What do you think? About 12 ounces? See if that makes a difference. Let me see. Alrighty. It might be a little bit quieter. We'll let it warm up a little. See
guess only time will tell. See if this stuff works. Bring in the ball. Alright, we got the Suburban. We'll pour a little bit in the Suburban. It's easier to pour in yours. Oh. How hard is it to pour in this? This is gonna be a lot harder. Oh. Okay. Got some of our PROLUBE oil treatment. Alrighty. Now we're all lubed up.